All right, good morning. We are live. All right, we're going to go ahead and dive into the charts because I already said my trader's prayer and affirmation when I thought I was live a few minutes ago. So we're going to go to US 30 and we're going to mark up US 30, try to catch the move for 9:30. I'm going to clear my chart. Going to start on the monthly. And I'm going to draw support and resistance on the monthly. Going to draw this high from December 2021 and this low from May 2022. We're going to go from the monthly down to the weekly. This is our monthly range right here. I am going to draw this weekly trend line. And this zone right here. And then we're going to go down to the daily. Draw this trend line right here. The price is in this down channel. And it's currently under the 200 MA. I'm going to mark this zone right here. Go down to the 4-hour. I'm going to mark this area right here. We got 3 touches. Looks like most recent support and resistance zone. And down here. And mark this trend line. We got 2 touches right here. 1, 2. Now structure wise, price was selling on the 4-hour, was making higher lows and lower lows. Our last structure point was this area right here, this lower low. So it looks like price broke out and retested. Broke out and retested there. So price tested structure. I don't quite see where I can draw a fib on the 4 hour. On the daily either, at least for the buy. Let's see, on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, I see a point A and a point B. And gave us our point C. Price came back to the 382 and we got full TP. And now our point A is what was our point C. And let's see. Looks like price came to the 382 and gave a double bottom and rejected at this trend line. Didn't quite get TP1, but it came close. I am gonna put a zone right here at this area. I want to see price break out of this and retest and continue this buy. But on US 30, I entered on the 15, so I'm gonna see what else we can see. This is where price currently is. I'm gonna mark this zone right here on the 30-minute on US 30. Price tested this area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So since I enter trades on a smaller time frame on US 30, this is an important zone. Let's see. I want to say this area right here on the 1 hour. We got 1, 2 touches. This one didn't quite come back to test it. So we'll go back down to the 15. We got one more right here. Price gave us that double bottom and bought. Not quite a trend line. We got a 30-minute fib right here. This is point A. This is our point B. This is our point C. Price came and pulled back into the 618 right here and it bought, still haven't quite reached TP1. So I do want to see a pullback or a break and retest to continue this buy. It's a minor structure buy because we did not have, let me see, I don't have a current B yet to draw fib on the daily. This would be our point A. I would need a pullback, a nice pullback now. I'm going to delete this fib for a second because price did come back and test this daily trend line right here. So it bought and came and tested it perfectly. And now it looks like we're in consolidation on the daily. So if we can get a break and retest of this on the daily, that'd be a nice hold to the 200 MA. But for US 30, I like to wait for entry on the lower time frames. And since we had this minor structure fib, we're gonna wait. What time is it? It's 10 minutes until New York session market open. So let's see. And it's definitely consolidation right here. I'm gonna go down to the 5 minute. Let's see. All right, we can draw a trend line right here on the 5 minute. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. Trying to see if I see any more relevant support and resistance zones, even though it is on a smaller time frame, but it's relevant because I enter on the lower time frame for US 30. This current area that we are in is looking like consolidation. So now we wait. It's 9:21. Currently, I was waiting for price to sell on GU. I got in earlier right here at 25593. Price broke and retested this trend line. So an entry is available for sale on GU. Looking for this 4-hour fib to complete on this sale. We had our point A, point B, C. Looks like price came back up to retest this zone and gave us this double top. We got 3 hours left on this candle. I have not checked to see what kind of news we have today or if there is any. I know Wednesday is CPI, so the market might be moving slow just to rev up for that. Yep, look, we got CHF Bank holiday today. pretty much nothing. So it might be a nice, slow, smooth moving market. Let's see, tomorrow, 12:30, got some high impact news tonight. Not too much of anything else. June 8th. Something. There's no red news. These 10-year bond, they can help you if you trade in indices, but that is another subject for another day. Now, I could have sworn CPI was this week. Okay. Monetary policy. We got PPI for Japan. Unemployment rate. Okay. Here we go. CPI isn't until the 10th, Friday. Okay. So we might have a nice smooth week. GU just better drop, and this dollar better finish this buy. I got an entry on the dollar at 101.88. That was a sell move we caught last week. We're ultimately still looking for the buy to complete the daily fib. So my entry was 101.88. Right? Where is that? Definitely want to see price break and retest this zone. But for now, I'm going to keep TP up here at the 618 on the fib. I'd like to take before and afters, put them in my chart gallery. Alright, it's 9:28. Gonna take a picture. Look at that nice double top break retest of that trend line. Like, can we just complete this vid? It's gonna be beautiful. $9.29. Let's go back to US 30. Look at that candle. So we are going to patiently wait for a break and a retest. But sometimes with US 30 though, you might not get a retest. You just got to get it how you live and hop in. And now I'm looking. I see a point A and a point B here. Look at that, 9:30. If I sit here and watch this fib move be completed, because price moves so fast, if this comes down to this zero so fast and I can't get in, I'm gonna be upset. But there's always another move. And this is why you wait. We got a pullback here. What do we have? Let me retest on the 1 minute. Yep, we should have got in right there at that retest when it pulled back some. We'll take it to right here. Yes, come on. Let me get a better entry. There we go. There we go. 9:32. What we doing? What we doing? A retest of this consolidation area. I would like to see price come back and retest this trend line on the 1 minute. Let's see what we're looking like on the 5 minute. See how this candlestick looks deceiving. Right now it's retesting its consolidation zone. And is that it right there? We got 1 minute till this 5 minute candle closes. And it looked like it just came and touched the 200. One more minute. All right, down we go. I'm selling. My entry was 33103. Gonna go back to the 30 minute. Stop loss above the high. TP near the 0 on the fib. And this is almost a 1 or 2. 100 points for 200 points. I need for price to break this 200 MA. I am going to be careful around this trend line area. Yeah, it's a 1 hour trend line. That's a nice candlestick though. We got 23 minutes for this candle to close. And this was just big consolidation area. Price has been traded in this range since May 27th. It's what? About 2 weeks. And it sold, bought, and this definitely looks like a fib finish sale on US 30. That hourly candle looks really nice. "22 more minutes." Alright, let's see what GU is doing. Looks like everything's gonna drop nicely. GU needs to break this 200 moving average, which is, for me, I'm moving support resistance, moving trend line. It's something where that price respects, and it definitely breaks and retests and stutters. See, like it broke and retest here. Definitely missed the entry on EU to continue this sale. I have not marked anything else up besides the dollar and GU, which is moving smoothly, shall I say. Let's go back and check on US 30. So this is all I'm looking for today. I'm looking for this sell to finish on US 30, and GU is going to be a long-term hold. It's 9:40. I'm going to mark the rest of my charts up offline and see what else I can catch, because I know the dollar is buying. Definitely going to wait for EJ to reach this monthly support resistance zone, but EJ paid us very well. GJ is near entry. I want this TP3 to get hit. I was looking for to add another entry. I was waiting for price to break and retest, which it did beautifully. It broke and retest, and I did get another entry right there to hold GJ to its final TP. But that is it for today. We're getting a retrace on US 30. Look at how that candle is pulling back. Let's see. Looks like retested a trend line on a higher time frame. Let's see what happens. What do we have? 2 minutes until this candle closes. Looking like it's giving a better entry. Gonna keep rejecting. We got how many more minutes on this hour time frame? 16 more minutes before this hourly candle closes. Definitely needed to close below this trend line. Okay, one more minute. This 5-minute candle close. Let's see if we're gonna get a rejection and continue this sale. Since I am now in drawdown, but that definitely would have been a better entry. All right, come on, 30 seconds. Fall. Look at this, how that rejected. Come on, stop playing. Price, stop playing. It's okay. It's okay to fall a little bit. It's okay. Go ahead. GU just pulled back also. Wrong one. This is GJ. There we go. Is it breaking? That. Look at that. Look at that. Just keep on moving down smoothly. We have 14 more minutes to this hourly candle closes. US 30. It wants to. It wants to sell. There we go. Come on. That was a nice entry on the 5-minute. So it broke and price respected this trend line, came up and tested it. That's a nice entry right there. All right, we're moving on down. Let's see, 2 more minutes. And I'm going to get off. If you want to follow this trade and any other trade that I took during these live sessions from London or New York session, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Sierra, SIERRA underscore trades, TRADES underscore. And I do post my markups from my live sessions and also keep track of the trades that I'm in for the week. All right, yep, there we go. I just needed to break this little 200 MA right here. Got a minute and 35. Look at that hourly candle. I need to just drop. Now I don't need this. Look, the games. Just 200 MA. Gotta get past it. Come on, what we got? 10 more minutes left on this hourly candle. Come on. I just need 100 points. Just a nice 100-point scalp. At the end of the day, this is still a nice candle. That's a beautiful candle. $130. Alright, I'm about to sign off. I'll post these on my Instagram, my TikTok at Sierra, SIERRA underscore trades, TRADES underscore to keep up with this trade. Catch me back live at 3 a.m. tomorrow morning, Eastern Standard Time.